In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change server location in Hostinger. Before we click anything, here's the big picture. Moving your hosting to a different server location can reduce latency and speed up your site for visitors in a specific region. The exact steps depend on your Hostinger product, so start by confirming what you're using. In your Hostinger dashboard, you'll see whether your plan is web hosting, cloud hosting, VPS, or website builder. That detail matters because each one handles location changes differently. If you're on web or cloud hosting, open hPanel and head to plan details. There, look for an option that says move or transfer the hosting plan to another server location. Choose the region that's closest to your main audience, review any prompts, and confirm. The transfer runs on Hostinger's side and usually doesn't require manual intervention. Keep in mind, migrations can take some time depending on the size of your site, so it's smart to do this during a quiet traffic window. While the move is in progress, avoid making major site changes to prevent inconsistencies once the transfer completes. If you're using a VPS, the process is different. Go to VPS in hPanel, open plan details, click the pen or edit icon, select your new server location, and proceed. Here's the key warning. Changing the location on a VPS triggers a reinstall. That means the server's data and configuration are wiped and rebuilt in the new location. Backup everything first. Create and download full backups of your websites, databases, and any custom configurations or scripts you rely on. After the reinstall finishes in the new location, you'll restore your data and bring services back online. Plan for downtime accordingly and communicate with your users if necessary. There's also an important limitation. If your site is built with Hostinger Website Builder, you cannot change the server location. The builder uses a built-in CDN to deliver content globally, which is designed to handle performance for visitors in different regions without moving the origin server. Once your move or reinstall completes, give your site a quick check from the new region. Load key pages, confirm that logins, forms, and critical features work, and make sure everything feels snappy for your target audience. That's it. Identify your plan. Use the built-in move for web or cloud hosting. Follow the edit and reinstall flow for VPS with backups in place, and remember the website builder limitation due to the integrated CDN